Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to match a color of a subject with a background using Photopea. So let's get started. So this is the background I'm going to use, and this is the person I'm going to cut out and place it on this background. First, remove the background. You can use pen tool to remove the background, or else you can use magic cut or any other different methods. Go to select magic cut. I already posted a video on how to use magic cut tool, so you can go and check it out. Now we just remove the background. After removing background, select the move tool and drag and drop over this background. Control plus Alt plus T to transform this layer. Press Shift while transforming to maintain this aspect ratio. Now we need to match the color. For that, you need to go to the website called color.adobe.com. In this, go to this extract gradient section and drag and drop your background image. I'm going to change the gradient stops to 5. And you can see these color codes down here. We are going to make use of this. Copy this first color and go to Photopea and add a new gradient map adjustment layer. And click on here and select this slider and change the hex value to the copied one. Click on the outside and you can see the brightness value is 44. Copy that brightness value, click on OK and change the position to that brightness value 44%. Now again go to this gradient, copy the next color and click on this slider and change the X value to the copied one and click on outside and copy the brightness value and change the position to that brightness value and copy the next color and add a new slider. Change the color to the copied X value and copy the brightness and paste it over here and copy the next color, add a new slider, paste the copied X value and copy the brightness and change the position. Do it for the next color. After finishing, click on OK. We need to make this gradient map affect only the subject. So right click on the gradient map and add a clipping mask and change the gradient map blend mode to overlay or soft light. Which one suits for your image? Overlay looks good for me. I'm gonna reduce the opacity slightly. So this is without gradient map and this with gradient map. So you can see it is somewhat match the color. Now we need to blur the background. Select the background layer, duplicate it, right click on the duplicated layer and convert to smart object and go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Add a suitable value for your image and click on OK. Now I'm gonna add a layer mask, which is raster mask in this photo P, to this blurred background image, and select the gradient tool. Make the foreground and background color white and black, and make sure the type is in linear, and do it something like this. We need to reverse it. So you can see this region is slightly blurred and going away. You can see the more blur. After this, we need to add overall color grading. So select new adjustment layer and select color lookup. You can choose different color lookup from here, or else you can load a new one. So I added this color lookup. I'm gonna reduce the opacity slightly. So that's it. Let's group it. So this is how we can match color of a subject with a background in simple steps. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.